Have you ever wondered why people actually start to shrink in height after they hit around 30? This is simple science. Real, raw, and rapid. Straight up. It's true, most of us begin to get a tiny bit shorter as we age. But it's not because you're suddenly losing bones. Instead, it's mainly about changes in your spine. Between each vertebra in your spine, you have discs made of soft cartilage. These discs act like little cushions that keep your spine flexible and your posture tall. As you age, those discs start to lose water and become thinner, kind of like a sponge that's been squeezed for years. This thinning causes your spine to compress a little, making you shorter. But it's not just the discs. Your posture also changes over time. Weak muscles and lifestyle habits like sitting too much can cause your spine to curve forward, shrinking your height even more. On average, adults can lose up to about 1 to 2 centimeters every decade after age 30. Some people may lose more, especially if they have osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones. The good news? You can slow down this shrinking by staying active, doing posture exercises, and keeping your bones healthy with calcium and vitamin D. That's how you start to shrink around age 30. If you like science without the drama, subscribe to Simple Science.